Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going over how to roll your calves. And if you're involved in running, any sport in which you're plantar flexing, which is most of them, chances are your calves are going to get beat up and abused a little bit. So the rolling will help in reducing overuse and injuries that can happen in your ankle, the tissue surrounding the ankle, and the knee. So we're going to first start out not directly underneath the knee, but a little bit forward. You can see in the side camera. And we're going to be doing ankle circles and then rotating our calves a little bit too here, okay? And every inch I'm stopping at, and then I'm doing just a couple of circles and then rotations with my legs too, all right? The most important thing that you can do for yourself in this is going to be the relaxation, right? That's going to restore the tissue quality. It's going to help you gain more mobility, and it's going to also make sure that you can progress and that your body's not so tense and guarded so much. We need to make sure that you can relax when we're doing this, because otherwise your sympathetic nervous system is always on and you can't relax. So as you can see, I'm rolling all the way down. This won't take you no more than about 45 seconds to maybe a minute and a half. I'm doing every inch of my calves, and once you've gotten the full length, you're done. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks for watching.